HTVRONT family, welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy, LaShawn Taylor. Yo, as always, y'all already know, I'm excited for this video today. I know how y'all be. Y'all be up on today's fashion, and one of the latest designer styles that people are wearing are called Denim Tear jeans. Denim Tear jeans, I know they come out with like sweatpants. I know they come out with like hoodies, you know, different stuff. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own Denim Tear inspired jeans. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video right now.
Yo, alright, so first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is go to our Google browser and we're gonna type in cotton reef, because that is actually what is put on these the logo that's on these jeans, sweatpants, you know, whatever. It's funny because I actually thought it was a flower. That's how out of tune I am when it comes to this stuff. But yeah, we'll type in cotton wreath. We'll go to images, and we're just grabbing our image first. So of course it's not gonna look like the same exact cotton wreath that they use. It's gonna be our own. All right, so let me just find one that I like. And they literally have so many that you can choose from. I want this to be as simple as like possible though, so I might just go with something like this. Go to add image to photos. All right, where's that? Boom. That'll work. Just hopefully it's not too difficult to weed out. So we got our image. We're heading over to our Cricut Design Space app. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is hit upload and hit upload image. I hit browse and go to photos, and we're gonna pull that photo that we just got. Open that right up. All right, so here's the tricky part, because we got white on white. Well, this is like an off-white, it looks like, but we'll hit complex, hit continue, and we're gonna do our best trying to make sure that we're able to take out all the white that we need to be taken out. All right, so click on that white. Wow, it actually, yo, this joint wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. So just click on all the white that you don't need. You know, go into every area. Not as bad as I thought. Not as bad as I thought at all. Okay, boom, we in the game. We in the game with this one. All right, boom. Hit apply and continue. Cut image. See, the thing is, I don't really like the way that looks. Let's hit back, because it is its own cotton wreath. Like, that joint is definitely its own cotton wreath, but it's not, I don't think it's not given. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not given. So let me go ahead, hit back. We'll take out what we need to take out again. All right, took out all the white. Now I'm gonna go down here, hit this restore, and let's just try to fill in a little bit, just to make it look a little bit more like the reef, the Denim Tears reef. Denim Tears reef. Let's just see. Let's hit apply and continue. Oh my goodness, that joint looks dumb. Let's go ahead and keep that. Let's go ahead and keep that. I ain't tripping. Hit cut image. Image name. Let's change it to cotton wreath. Hit upload. That's whatever type of design that is. Let's go ahead and add that to the canvas. Add it to the canvas. And now we'll just, let me zoom out first. All right, And now I'm just gonna come over here and hit duplicate. We'll get a couple of these on the screen, and I'm just gonna go ahead and change up the sizing for them. Yeah, we're gonna change up the sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's space this out a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm doing 11 for now. All right, so I'm randomly gonna just make different sizes for this. All right, just randomly, because it may be like strategic the way that he puts them on the jeans, but nah, strategic is not what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be super random, super random. Super random. All right, that's cool with me. Let's say make it. Watch these jeans come out fire. Watch how fire these jeans come out. Like, I'm telling y'all. And I'm gonna just go ahead and mirror each one of these. And then hit continue. All right. So for the jeans, I'm using 3D puff vinyl on the jeans. So the material we're gonna set for this project is everyday iron on. And then for the pressure, we're gonna hit more. A lot of creators are saying that that's the best cut setting for regular 3D puff vinyl. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. All right, so we got everything set. I'm gonna go ahead and get this placed on the mat. We're gonna get it placed in our Cricut maker. We're gonna get this joint cut out. All right, family, do not mind my Cricut mat. It's looking pretty crazy. My X-Acto knife is to blame. That's what happens when you just put in that work. So boom. So we got 3 different mats. On 2 mats, we're coming down a total of 12 inches. And then on the last mat, we're coming down about 8 inches. So we'll go ahead and just get this placed. And we'll place it first at the edge. And we're placing it with the shiny side faced up. I'm gonna grab my X-Acto knife. We'll come right over here. And we're just cutting off the excess vinyl that we're not using at this very moment. Just like that. Now we're gonna get this placed in our Cricut. Hit that blinking arrow. And when that blinking Cricut symbol pop up, get this bad boy cut out. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and just got all of these cut out. It was a long process. I didn't want to bore you guys, so we got those cut out. What I am gonna go ahead and do though is weed these out for you guys, and let's get that process started right now. All right, let's start with just getting these cut out individually first. So got all my things, all my cotton reefs cut out. Now we'll go ahead and get the weeding process started. Alright, got each one. And what we're gonna go ahead and do here is just go at an angle and weed up that way. Alright, so boom, I got everything pressed out. Now here's the pair of jeans that we're gonna be pressing on. I'm gonna just throw each symbol on the jean in no particular order.
No strategizing, we just throwing it on there. The same way it look like they do. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so boom. I got one pant leg set up. So I got my Cricut Easy Press 2 heating up right now. We got it set for 270 degrees. And we're gonna get this joint pressed out for about 10 seconds. I got my Teflon sheet. And we're just gonna place it over each design and get this pressed out. Now we'll go ahead and pull each one up. And not too bad. I am going to have to repress out some of these just to make sure it sticks to the jeans. But overall, they came out good. Now we'll go ahead and switch to the next pant leg. This right here is gonna work for me, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. This time I'm gonna try pressing them out on 320 degrees. And we're gonna get them pressed out for about 15 seconds. Stop. I'm gonna wait for it to cool down a little bit. I'll get these peeled up and I'll show you guys the final look. Yo, I just want to thank y'all for tuning into this video. I appreciate y'all for watching, especially if you watch the whole way through. No skips, you know, that really means a lot to me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, your family, anybody you know who's trying to get into this Cricut industry. And as always, keep applying pressure to life because life has no boundaries. Until next video.